Regardless if you are a small business or a multinational company, blogging is integral to your online content marketing strategy. As you've might heard, blogs are no more simply online diaries. They can turn into an intense promoting resource for any organization or company. Blogs often turn into the center of social media marketing when posts show power, serve clients, build community, bolster advertising, and support public relations. Here are 4 reasons you need to blog for your business. Number 1, drive traffic to your website. Number 2, increase your SEO. Number 3, position your brand as an industry leader. Number 4, develop better customer relationships. Precise blogs with accurate, in-depth information demonstrate credibility and authority on a given topic. As a result, you earn trust with someone uncertain about how to resolve an issue initially. Your blog content guides the reader through the discovery phase of problem resolution. Toward the end of your post, a well-executed call to action points the reader towards the next step of the journey. Your blog gives you the opportunity to create relevant content for your customers. Use your blog as a marketing tactic to drive traffic back to your website. You can even make the blog as the foundation for all of your social media platforms. Blogs increase your SEO, as fresh content is still a key to beating out your competitors in the search engine results page. List out the keywords, topics, and categories you want your business to be found with. And keep in mind these words and related expressions when writing your posts. Well-written blog posts will help you to demonstrate your brand as an industry leader. If you are a retailer, you can write blog posts about your products too. So, your customers will get to know you as the knowledge source for the products they want. To start your blog, you can sign up for Blogger or WordPress. The same mentality of website applies. You can choose different themes with WordPress and again, have to purchase your own hosting service. However, Blogger is a free blogging tool that can be used with another platform called Blogspot, which is a free domain service provider. But if setting up blogs on WordPress or Blogger sounds too techy, you can consider microblogging platforms. Microblogging is on the rise. It is a combination of instant messaging and blogging that allows users to make short messages to be posted and shared to the global audience. Social media platforms like Twitter have turned out to be greatly known for microblogging, particularly on the mobile web, making it significantly more advantageous to communicate with people. These short messages can come in the form of a variety of content formats which include text, pictures, sound, video, and hyperlinks. Microblogging can be a good way of promoting your blog and also to quickly share and respond to other people's blogs. It allows you to do your quick sharing, leaving the meatier stuff for your blog or the comment section of others' posts. Alternative to Twitter is Tumblr, which allows you to very quickly share photos, quotes, links, and short updates in a simple blog-like format. It's easy to share or reshare content, and it has the immediacy and ease of microblogging, while allowing greater length and interaction and better incorporation of rich media. Another notable example is Google+, which is a Twitter, Facebook-like social networking tool, but allows longer contributions and better incorporation of rich media, as well as tools such as chat and video hangouts, while still being in one place and having a quick sharing feel. In conclusion, I would say that having your own blog is better for a more in-depth, personalized interaction. Even though a blog is technically harder to set up and maintain, it can serve as a hub for all your content and social media activities.